Everybody on YouTube, I hope everyone's well and having a fantastic day today. So today I'm going to cook some pasta. I've got some onion here which I've already cut up a bit. I've got some rigatoni pasta which I'm going to chuck into a pan and boil. I've got some crunchy and juicy cherry tomatoes, and with that I've got some plum tomato which I'm going to chuck in with it. Got a bit of tomato puree which is going to go in it with as well. Then near the end I'm going to chuck some cheese in it just to add a bit of extra, and I'll probably chuck a little bit of black pepper in there. Probably no salt though. Okay, so in the pan just going to add a bit of olive oil. Just going to move that around a bit, coat the bottom. And just chuck in the onions. So that's about half an onion in there. Just going to let that do its thing for a minute. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to chop the tomatoes in half so they break down a bit quicker. How's everyone doing? Everyone had a good day today? First day back? Well, there's a bit up and down at the moment, isn't it? So there we go. There's tomatoes cut in halves. Let them do their thing. I'm just going to boil a saucepan of water. Probably a good time to add a tin of tomatoes. Ingredients: Italian plum tomatoes, 65% tomato juice. Okay. So yeah, these are M&S Italian plum tomatoes filled into tomato juice. Oh yeah. So to that I'm just going to add the tomatoes. Add a bit of water in there. Just to let it do its thing. That's that washed out. And some tomato puree. About Not that much, I think. That's that used up as well. Brilliant. Just let that do its thing. Beautiful. That'll do. I'll put some pepper in there now. So if you've made it this far, thanks everyone who's been watching, everyone who's subscribed, everyone who's liked the videos. That'll do. What other ingredients would you put in it? I mean, I usually like to put some jalapenos in there, but I can't eat them at the moment. It's a burn. Some mushrooms maybe. Some sweet corn. Vegetables. Maybe some carrots. Looks alright. Let's come on. It's a bit of cook time. What's doing that? Get the window open. Plenty of salt in the water for the pasta. 3-second pour maybe. 1, 2, 3. pretty well tonight. So these pasta things there. Some on the cover. That's it, pasta's on. Nearly there. Nearly done. That's nice. Some texture to it as well. Splashed it everywhere. Too late. I'm now wearing it. So I'm just going to add a bit of that as well. Not a lot of it. But Worcestershire sauce is always good for something, isn't it? Worcestershire just a sauce. So there we go. Pasta's about done. I'm just going to pour that into there. That's a lot of pasta, that is. And I would try and use the frying pan to toss it around, but I'll probably end up wearing most of it. So I've done a risk assessment, and yeah, it's a bit risky. But maybe one day I'll learn how to do it. Or not. And to that, I'm just going to chuck a bit of cheese over the top. Oh, sort of. A bit of that, a bit of four blends. Mix it in. That's it, that's starting to melt. That'll do. It's looking good. Right. Oh, probably should have done that first. That'd be too easy, wouldn't it? Right. Here we go then. about enough. Sprinkle a bit of cheese on there. So I'm just going to have a bit of cold chicken with my dinner, just because I've got some to use up. And there we go, dinner for today. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. There it is. Some melted cheese on there. Oh yeah. Enjoy your day, people. I'll see you later. Bye bye.